This tutorial is going to demonstrate how to use our catalog to find books to read for enjoyment. So from the library's website, you're going to click on Catalog and search the catalog. And you're going to select Destiny Quest. And this is a format designed to sort of help you find good books to read rather than looking for information. So note here, you're a guest. We will eventually be getting accounts for everyone, so stay tuned for that. On the left here, that you can kind of scroll through and see what are the top books, and it gives you a little status on those. There are also some what are called resource lists, and if you click on public lists, you can see if you click on this action adventure, it'll give you some suggestions. And then it also features the last 15 books that have been added to our collection. So what I want you to do is search for a book that you have read recently and enjoyed. So you notice I can search a title. I could also search a genre, and I'm getting, for example, 365 results, but I'm going to put in The Maze Runner because that's a great book. Oops. Alright, and so while it's out, I'm not really looking at checking it out anyways. I want to see what suggestions. And obviously they're going to recommend the books in the other series, but I could take a look at this, and if this looks interesting, I can add it to my list. So eventually you'll be able to create your own lists and save them. So I'm going to add these to my list. Alright, and then if I do a genre like romance, or I could do mystery, you can see I get 365 results. And you can either scroll through those, or you could really drill down and see what else you could find. So here's action adventure, but also mystery. So I'm going to add that to my list. And so what I want you to do now is, you can see you could drag and drop it too. Let's go ahead and look at your list. Once you've added a few titles to your list, just go ahead and look at it, and you're going to save it. And you can see it's saving it as a text file. And so I'm going to do the right mouse click and open. And this gives me something called a notepad. So I'm getting the information. And I'm just going to save this to my desktop so that for you to demonstrate you completed this, you're going to email me this. So my list of books, it's called a text. And then in your email, you're going to compose an email to me and put your name and team number. And then just a reminder, here's how we attach files. I saved it to my desktop. And I'm just looking for so I can start typing in the title, and there's and clicking on open, attach it, and then you can go ahead and send it to me, and you're all done with this.